After removing all packaging materials and inspecting your cot, you will need to prepare the battery system. When the battery is fully charged, slide it into the PowerPro IT until it clicks. You'll see a green light on the cot indicating it has power. If you see flashing red, the battery needs to be charged. The following segments will guide you through the use of your new battery system. The first segment will cover the Smart Power System, and the second segment will cover the DeWalt battery system. For either system, you can easily check the power level of your battery pack. Simply press the minus button on the cot control. Green means you're good to go. Red means you should change the battery pack. The PowerPro IT also has an hour usage meter at the foot end control enclosure. This meter shows the total amount of time that the cot has been in use under power. Use the total time to schedule preventative maintenance to keep your PowerPro IT in top condition. Stryker advocates disposal of all non-functional batteries at a battery recycling center, such as the RBRC, Rechargeable Battery Recycling Center. For more information on the RBRC and their free recycling centers, please reference your Operations and Maintenance Manual. The Smart Pack is easy to handle due to its small size, and it's completely sealed, which helps prevent contamination and makes cleaning easier. The Smart Power System comes with 2 Smart Packs, a Smart Charger, and a power cord. An optional mounting bracket and additional power cords are available. The PowerPro IT uses a single 24-volt Smart Pack as its power source. This is the power behind the PowerPro IT's ability to lift quickly and effortlessly. While the Smart Pack fits any Stryker-powered cot, it's only compatible with the Stryker Smart Charger. Your 2 Smart Packs come with a partial charge, but Stryker recommends fully charging the Smart Packs before initial installation. Because the Smart Pack doesn't require tuning and it has no memory, it requires less time to charge, and performance is not reduced by repeated partial discharges. In fact, a new Smart Pack will be fully charged in approximately 2 hours and is good for approximately 15 to 20 service calls, depending on patient weight and environmental conditions. When installing a smart charger in a vehicle, place it in an enclosed cabinet to prevent patient contact. The optional mounting bracket will eliminate charger movement and sliding within the cabinet during transport. Connect the smart charger to a power supply by inserting the power cord into the socket at the rear of the charger. When the charger is properly connected, the round green power LED will illuminate. Simply slide a Smart Pack into the smart charger. Once the Smart Pack is in place, the charger's built-in retainer prevents accidental disconnections. Your smart charger automatically evaluates the condition of a Smart Pack whenever it's placed in the charger. The smart charger LEDs tell you what you need to know. Any green LED message means that the charging process is proceeding normally. Amber LED messages mean that charging has been delayed or interrupted. Blinking green means charging. Steady green means fully charged, tested, and ready. It is a best practice to keep the Smart Pack on the charger until the LED is solid green. If the Smart Pack on the charger is not functional or is not a Smart Pack, the charger LED will be a steady amber, indicating battery failure. Blinking amber means the battery temperature will not allow a charge. The smart charger will delay charging the Smart Pack. The blinking amber LED will persist until an acceptable temperature is reached. Then the blinking green LED will illuminate and the charging cycle will begin. Once both packs are fully charged, insert one into the PowerPro cot and keep the other Smart Pack in the charger. Note that a Smart Pack, like any battery, will slowly begin to lose charge once it is removed from the charger. Even if a Smart Pack is in the smart charger for extended periods, there's no risk of overcharging. Keeping a Smart Pack in the smart charger is a sure way to have a fully charged Smart Pack ready when you need it. Use the red release button to remove the Smart Pack from the charger. Best practice is to keep using a Smart Pack until the red light on the PowerPro IT indicates it's time for a freshly charged Smart Pack. Do not try to use a Smart Pack for service calls after you've seen the red indicator, or you may shorten the Smart Pack's life. Never attempt to remove a SmartPack when the cot is activated and the motor is running. SmartPack removal is fast and easy. Reach under the SmartPack. Your index finger will fall on the red release button. Press the red button as you remove the SmartPack from its slot. Another way to remove the SmartPack is to push the red release button along the right-hand side of the foot and control enclosure and slide the battery out of the enclosure. Remove the SmartPack prior to power washing the PowerPro IT. In the event that the SmartPack is exposed to contaminated fluids, it can be power washed separately if necessary. Never submerge a SmartPack. Be sure to dry the SmartPack thoroughly prior to insertion into a PowerPro cot or a charger. When cleaning the smart charger, first disconnect it from the power supply and ensure that the power light is no longer illuminated. Do not spray cleaners directly on the charger. Instead, dampen a cloth and wipe the charger thoroughly. Be sure to allow the charger to dry before power is reconnected. Additional information on the Smart Power System is provided in the Operations and Maintenance Manual. Stryker recommends fully charging both DeWalt batteries prior to use in your PowerPro IT. Connect the DeWalt charger to a consistent power supply and slide the battery into the charger. A new DeWalt battery will be fully charged in about 1 hour. The DeWalt charger LED will flash red during the primary charging period. Once the primary charge ends, the LED will change to solid red. DeWalt recommends battery packs be tuned at least once per month or every 10 to 20 charge cycles. To complete the automatic tune-up mode, keep the battery on the charger for 8 full hours. Additional DeWalt battery system preparation information is provided in the Operations and Maintenance Manual. The PowerPro IT can be powered with a single 24-volt DeWalt pack. A battery pack that is in good working condition and is fully charged can provide approximately 15 to 20 service calls, depending on patient weight and environmental conditions. When charging the battery pack, verify that the power source for the charger is clean and uninterruptible. This means that the power source is free of surges, spikes, and sags. Power that is not clean will severely reduce battery pack life. The DeWalt battery pack contains vents. If the battery is sprayed or soaked with water, the battery should be completely dried for a minimum of 24 hours before reinstalling in a PowerPro or any DeWalt battery charger. Upon placing the pack into any 24-volt DeWalt charger, the following takes place. The charger checks the battery pack to ensure it is chargeable. During this process, the LED will flash red. The battery pack is given a primary charge, which takes up to 1 hour. The charger LED flashes red during the primary charge. Once the battery pack receives the primary charge, the charger begins an automatic tune-up, which lasts for up to 7 additional hours. The charger LED will be solid red during the tune-up. The tune-up slowly tops off the individual cells of the pack. Once the tune-up is complete, the charger enters maintenance mode, and the LED remains solid red. For the 120 and 220-volt AC wall chargers, the maintenance mode will keep the pack at its maximum charge indefinitely, provided the charger is supplied by a clean, uninterruptible power source. For the 12-volt DC automotive charger, the maintenance mode will keep the pack at its maximum charge for the next 8 hours, provided that the charger is supplied by a clean, uninterruptible power source. Once the battery pack has been on the 12-volt DC charger for a total of 16 hours, the 12-volt DC charger will automatically switch off, and the battery will begin to self-discharge as if the pack were put into storage. The charger LED will turn off at this point. The DeWalt battery pack should never be power washed. For information on the cleaning of your DeWalt power system, reference the Operations and Maintenance Manual. The DeWalt battery pack fits any Stryker-powered cot and is only compatible with the DeWalt charger. Although most PowerPro IT units will use the shorter configuration, the litter frame of both the short and extended units have the same dimensions as Stryker's PowerPro cots and use the same cot fastening system and safety hook. Preparation of the ambulance for the powered cot, however, requires that an in-fastener shutoff be properly installed. The in-fastener shutoff is designed to prevent the cot's automatic controls from being activated while the cot is secured in the cot fastener. To properly install and adjust the in-fastener shutoff, begin by loading the unoccupied cot into the ambulance and engage the cot fastening system. Next, attach the in-fastener shutoff bracket along the rail clamp until the rivet is directly aligned with the arrow on the sensor panel. Using a T27 Torx wrench, securely fasten the bolts attaching the magnet assembly to the rail clamp assembly. Check to be sure the shutoff is properly installed by pressing the minus or retract button to see if the hydraulic lift activates. If you have installed the shutoff correctly, the lift will not activate, but the battery indicator will light. The in-fastener shutoff is the preferred means for safely disabling the electronic functions of the PowerPro IT. To attempt an alternate means of shutoff could result in serious injury and damage to the equipment.